Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to view a website in desktop mode on Google Chrome? Chrome has a useful option called the desktop site. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable desktop site and switch back to mobile mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Open a website that you want to view in desktop mode. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Desktop Site. The web page will switch to desktop mode. The website will now display the desktop version of the page. To switch back to mobile mode, tap the three-dot menu again. Then tap Desktop Site to remove the check mark. The web page will switch back to mobile mode. And that's how to enable and disable desktop site in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.